Welcome to the SoftwareTrailers.com video channel. Today we will be presenting Cuttles. Cuttles is a fully interactive, guided pitch and business plan software that helps entrepreneurs build, understand, manage, and grow their business. It is also possible to keep tabs on your teams and budgets with interactive tools. You can now plan and pitch your business quickly with step-by-step guides. Cuttles web app has all the features and in-app guides you need to create a startup pitch, write a business plan, define a startup team, do budgets and financial projections. As a result, it's simpler, faster, more impactful than ever to start a business, and an excellent alternative to Upmetrics and insightsoftware. Cuttles Startup Builder guides you through all the steps of planning and presenting your business. You can even export and share your work in a dazzling design that matches your own branding, like magic. Best for ambitious startups and entrepreneurs who want to conduct all their business planning on a single platform. You can build a top-notch business plan with Cuttles' Customizable guided canvas. The canvas feature allows you to structure and validate your idea quickly and effortlessly. Cuttles allows you to inspire with real-world examples to develop your canvas template with guides. Cuttles is what you need to convince investors, your team, and future customers to get on board with a clear, focused presentation of your business idea. They and Cuttles want you to make the most out of your time. Their fully customizable startup business plan template is packed with examples and step-by-step guides to help you write a modern business plan and roadmap your way towards milestones in no time. The one thing startups have in common is that they are all unique, and so are their challenges. To offer better individual assistance, Cuttles has a team of startup success managers with the entrepreneurial expertise to push you forward and accelerate your growth on your startup journey. If you like what you hear about Cuttles, get lifetime access today at a great price by checking out the link in the description below. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and you will be notified of great upcoming deals on software like this one. No matter the problem, Cuttles is available to ensure that you don't have to walk the narrow entrepreneurial path alone. Building a startup is all about decision-making, and as a first-time entrepreneur, it can be challenging to avoid the many stumbling blocks and pitfalls. They will assess your work on an ongoing basis, provide you with feedback, advice, and support you in your endeavor to build something great. Your team is your most important asset. Equity is your most valuable commodity. Both will massively affect your chances of raising investment. And since investors are buying into the team as much as the idea, Cuttles also helps you showcase your team members and your cap table. You can now put together a quality pitch super quickly with helpful guides from Cuttles. In addition, the team feature helps you lower execution risks, manage equity, and get funded. Cuttles help you map out your entire organization, from founders to employees to shareholders, and keep track of everyone's skills and responsibilities. A plan brings your team together and keeps everyone on track towards your goals. With Cuttles' roadmap feature, you can set milestones, prioritize tasks, track your progress, and be on your way to hitting those targets month after month. Cuttles' budget feature makes working with numbers easier than ever, so you can measure your startup success and attract new partners regardless of your math skills. With Cuttles' interactive tools, you'll be able to create budgets, keep track of your runway, and forecast your revenue, capital, and break-even point. And best of all, Cuttles presents your data on an intuitive, well-designed platter that can be exported and shared with others. Cuttles allows you to create and monitor budgets on an intuitive dashboard that never lets you miss a beat. Working with numbers has never been simpler. Their guided budget tool makes it smooth and handy for you to create budgets and manage your finances. You'll always have a simple overview of your financial situation right at hand with Cuttles. You can keep track of your runway and forecast your expenses, revenue, capital, and break-even point. Entrepreneurs need room to grow and change. Cuttles gives you a place to build, expand, and showcase your great business ideas, no matter your starting point. It's time to get your business booming. If you like what you hear about Cuttles, get lifetime access today at a great price by checking out the link in the description below. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and you will be notified of great upcoming deals on software like this one. Get lifetime access today. Check out the link in the description below. If you like this deal, Check our videos for many excellent deals on software. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.